Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this classroom photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a lot of students in a certain classroom and in the bright and also cheerful situation or enthusiastic situation. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the gloomy and Halloween vibe, and also you can add the word up here. It's like turn to be the textured and gloomy poster. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this? It is very easy. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano Banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to do the photo editing through your favorite AI, so you can go ahead and don't worry guys, because it is very okay. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this picture. And if you would like to create it from the Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the look of the homepage of this Google AI Studio. And after that, you can simply scroll it down and you can click this Try Nano Banana. And after that, you can continue to click plus down here and click Upload File or Upload Photo. Like this. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and you can give this prompt a screenshot, but don't worry too, because I will also share this prompt into the description box and you can simply copy it. Basically, the prompt would be like this: transform the attached photo of a classroom into the spooky Halloween themed vintage poster scene. And also, the entire class environment should feel gloomy and unsettling, as if taken in an old haunted schoolhouse during the Halloween night. And also the room is now adorned with the various Halloween accessories like the cobwebs and also the flickering candle and also the school and also the eerie flowing drapes. And after that, you can add the another detail like the students' attire is like the vintage inspire, for example. And after that, the expression you can change to, let's say, to become more pale. And after that, this is one of the most important thing. The lighting should be dramatically dimmed, casting deep, elongate, and also desaturate and faded tone. And also, the entire image should possess a faded film texture and grainy imperfection characteristic of an old, distressed movie poster from the 90s horror aesthetic, for example. So the look would be like this. If you zoom in, you will see the texture like this. And also the composition should maintain its realistic, ultra detailed quality, but with an overarching tone of intense and also old school horror and a classic Halloween haunting with spooky typography incorporated into the poster style if applicable. So you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, basically this is the same prompt that I used before to transform this photo to become this one, guys. And by this one prompt, you can actually has another result, and you can simply check it out. And if you would like to get the another version, then you can click this rerun button in this section or this section. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.